If your cravings look like fire and crunch, you're due for pie. If your appetite wants adventure, you're due for pie. If your week needs a delicious rescue, you're due for pie. All right, welcome to Pai Toronto's must-eat Northern Thai platter. First bite, Sai Yue, spicy northern sausage bursting with lemongrass and kaffir lime, crispy at the edges, juicy inside. Next, Nam Preek Ong, tomato chili dip that's smoky tangy, impossible to stop scooping with crunchy veg sticky rice. There's also a slab of pork belly, crackled and golden, delivering that addictive crunch you dream about. Don't skip the pickled greens and fresh herbs. Their brightness cuts through the heat and makes every forkful more interesting. Each element is built for sharing. Hit it together, mix hot sausage with cooling cabbage, dunk into the dip chase with rice. This platter is a ride. Layers of spice texture and brightness that are pure Northern Thai comfort. Go hungry, bring friends, and let Pai Toronto do the rest. Crave satisfied.